Good morning and welcome to a bright and early edition of FMRevu. Today I'll be fortunate enough to unbox some more items that I got from the order zone. Tear open. Stick flag fan scarf tattoo. American flag 3x5 foot. Okay. And first up, it is a flag that I was sent to make a review from. And since I was sent several options of a flag, I chose the United States flag. Now this is a 3 foot by 5 foot, I think canvas material flag. And I can tell by the way that it sounds. It almost has a relaxing ASMR effect to it. But it does feel like it's weatherproof and it will hold up to being outdoors for a good number of days or years. I can tell that it's double stitched. Not too thick. So I don't know how it will deal with fray and wind use. But respectfully, the flag is not supposed to be up at night or during bad weather. A cell phone lanyard. Alright, so the way it works is you have it two parts. You have this small little string area that you would put through your cell phone, and then you have this metal loop that would go into this part of the lanyard. Press the button and it opens up and receives that end, and then you can wear it around your neck. It does have a little bit of rotation to it. Freedom, flexibility, it seems like it's sturdy and well built. It's spring loaded with the clip, and as you press the clip you'll notice that these little buttons recess, which will allow the, I don't know if this is metal or plastic. It's probably plastic. I said metal earlier, but I think it's plastic just because of the weight. But that would go inside and act as a connection point with a little bit of movement freedom for your cell phone to rotate. If you wanted to wear it around your neck, maybe on vacation or somewhere that you would be easily accessing your phone for recording videos or taking pictures. Next up is a pink package, and it's for my wife. I ordered her a set of wedding ring and engagement rings that she can wear every day and save the wear and tear on her real rings. These are stainless steel and they're lightweight. They're also they're new, so the jewel inside of them that represents the diamond is real. It's real. What would you call that? VVS clear. That's what I think. That's what you rate diamonds by, is their clarity. So it's a large, I think 2 carat jewel, and I believe it's cubic zirconia. But it's something that I got for her to wear, maybe doing some outdoor activities. She has an herb garden that she deals with. Going to town sometimes, going out of town sometimes, just to wear it, to give herself some options, number one, because it is a pretty looking ring, and it's a different design from what her original wedding ring and engagement ring is. But something that's, if you damage it, if you lose it, if it gets stolen, it's not a big loss in money or sentimental values. Next up we have a set of headphones. Stasis Simon, S-A-I-E-M, SAIM 2X. Real nice box. I like how velvety, and I like it. it's a nice box. Oh yes, presentation is great. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Okay. Yes, inside you do have much. You have a real good presentation. You've got these earbuds that are inside of the foam that's cut out exact size for them. You've got this little ribbon that you can pull out. Cardboard box that has a carrying case, which looks like it's good canvas, sturdy material. What's behind that? Oh yes, you have braided cables, and you have some replaceable ear tips. Real nice material. I like that braided cable because it's a good thing to eliminate memory in a wire, because a lot of times when you don't have something sturdy like that, since this has been in a box and it's wrapped in a circular pattern, it will develop a memory, and it'll be there for a while unless you do some type of straightening process to get that out of there. Moving on, got to keep moving on. Best way to open this, use the scissors to cut the end off. That's perfect. Oh yes, I do remember this. Not to bore you to death with a barrage of video games, but this is Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Fighting Edition. Wow, this game is in horrible shape. The outside is, at least. Looked like it was in the Super Nintendo cartridge, and the house caught on fire, and it caught some heat damage from the yellowing and the whatever this is. The sticker looks a little wore out, and I did see some discoloration when I saw it on eBay. This game tends to be pretty expensive. And I say that, $25 expensive. But yeah, even the chip that you would plug into the Super Nintendo looks like it's taken some discoloration and some damage. The only other explanation that I could go with is that this was in a house that had a lot of smoking going on. Moving right along. Wait, what is this? 3.5mm adapters? What did I order these for? I do know what I ordered these for. Okay. These are adapters that I can use on my Xbox 360 controller and plug in the previously purchased Xbox One headset. Because you have a 3.5mm adapter on one, or yes, 3.5mm adapter female end, for lack of better words, and then you have the standard Xbox 360 male end that you would plug into the controller. Another package and scissors. Let's see what it reveals. Presenting to you an optical cable, or Toshlink is what they call it, or Toslink. Yes. Presenting. What you say, buddy? Ninja Turtles went off. Well, what you want me to do about that? You want to watch Ninja Turtles? Well, let's go fix that and make them Ninja Turtles come on, okay? Alright, buddy, I'm coming your way. I'll be back. I am back, and I present to you a Toslink, or optical audio cable, that I bought from eBay in order to connect my PlayStation 2 to my Sony surround sound receiver, which I kind of briefly went over in a previous video when I put my 5.1 behind my television. The only way that I can interact with the receiver, rather than using an extension for the RCA cables, and I don't want to do that because I want to keep wire management pretty good, or keep down the clutter and the spaghetti behind the TV. So I bought one of these, and these are proven to be a higher quality audio sound, and I just didn't have any around. So this was maybe $2, $3 on eBay with free shipping. So I'll be using this to connect those two and hopefully enjoy some surround sound. Last but not least will be a package from Amazon that came in around Christmas time 2018. I'm just really behind making videos and unboxing this, but I already know what it is. It's a gift for my son, and I will just present this to him. It wasn't bought intentionally for him. It was sent to me to make a review by a company, and I had options to choose different things. So rather than getting some headphones that I do quite a bit of, or some other items, I decided to get a toy for him. I will see if I can pronounce this name. TepsMego. TepsMego. It is the TepsMego magnetic letterboard. It provides an innovative way to learn while playing, and it includes 52 lowercase letters, 52 uppercase letters, 21 numbers, and 8 symbols. This is recommended for ages 3 and up. It is designed for letter recognition and creative fun. And upon opening up, you can see that you have a dark color, almost like a chalkboard, and then you have a raw wood outline. On the back side, you do have a dry erase section, so you could use it as a dry erase board or chalkboard, and you have the option to hang or prop with this chain, or if you wanted to place it in a corner. Now, dimension wise, I'd say this is probably the same size as a 10-inch tablet. Now, this is a small setup, so 52 letters will not fit on here at once, but you can make small words, which is what a 3-year-old knows. Speaking of the letters, they are brightly colored. They have a foam spongy feel to them, and on the back side you have your magnetic connection. These look like they are glued on, and the magnet, how well does the magnet work? Let's see. I think it'll do pretty good. I think it'll hold. I don't think they'll slide too bad. Matter of fact, they might even work good on the refrigerator if you wanted to go use that route, if you wanted a bigger surface to spell more words and just have them all presented at one time. Now, what I do like is this bag that everything fits inside of. And you can see that it does have a dry erase pen and an eraser tip included. It does have an eraser, dedicated eraser, and I'm trying to find some chalk, but I don't see any chalk. So it looks like it's just designed out of the box for the letters and the dry erase board. I would like to thank you once again for your interest in watching my videos. Please subscribe to keep more awesome FM reviews coming, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.
3, 2, 1, action!
Now let me see if this questionable Power Rangers game will play. Will it play? Will it play? Will it play? That is the question of the day. Come on, Ninja Turtles. Power Rangers. Power on. Power on. No signal. No signal wignal. Hey, yes. After many attempts of trying to get this cartridge to work, I think that I've got a bad game.